Everything feels still, like the world is breathing slowly. The trees don't resist, they lean, they flow. They remind us that strength isn't stiffness. It's knowing when to bend. Stillness isn't empty. Stillness, it's full of the things we usually miss. Like this, electric wires taking a calm path through the skyline like a silent thread. Each one holds a memory of light and silence. The silence isn't empty. It's full of peace. Let go of whatever you were holding. Let it all fade to peace.